The history of Joseph Dobson's started in 1850 when Joseph Dobson and his wife Eleanor inherited the lands and grounds here in Elland. My wife Miriam Walshaw being the great-great-granddaughter of Joseph Dobson, so we are now the 5th generation Dobsons. We're still providing a service of confectionery to all of England and the world. Dobsons produce about 10 million individual sweets per week. We cook in copper cauldrons, stainless steel cauldrons over an open fires. We actually add pure ingredients. We don't mass produce. Well, when I started here at Dobson's, we were actually using hand rubber stamps, believe it or not. From there, we started using hot ink rollers. We just could not keep up with the manufacturing requirements. Through a supplier of ours, we actually were introduced to Domino.
Domino's been working with Joseph Dobson for over 6 years now. From their initial coding requirements with our A-series range through now to our V-series TTO and G-series thermal inkjet ranges.
Over recent years, Dobsons have actually grown and grown, and after we did a major expansion, we realized that we're still out of space. We purchased a new facility just locally. We had a project coming up for another 2 vertical form film seals, and our suppliers were trying to change our minds to go with another system of printing. We decided to stay with Domino for several reasons. The products are good, the service is good, the low cost in consumables, the reliability is there. We can step back and know that the printers are going to run.
Domino can help the confectionery industry as we provide a number of coding solutions, whether this be for flexible packaging, cartons or pallets.
Customers nowadays require that we can trace back right to the very raw materials and suppliers who we used it from. So in order to get that, you want clear, precise print right down to a few millimeters high, which actually Domino allows us to do. We like to use the Domino V-series printers. They're small, they're compact, we can place them anywhere. Allows our staff to integrate with the software to be able to program it easily and efficiently without the help from management.
The V-series product range is the ideal solution for the flexible packaging that we see here. It's simple to install, the fact that we can save the money in the consumable front, and the fact that we can print exactly what they need at high speed means we're going to code every pack accurately every time.
The Domino G-series printer allowed us to work with the Rotec friction feeder to be able to mass produce printed cartons efficiently and effectively, which actually helped us keep up with our speeds of our vertical form film seals.
The G-series range offers true type fonts, simple installation and fast cartridge changes. This combined with a wide range of inks allows it to be suitable for many different packaging, including cartons and also wrappers.
Dobsons has successfully grown in previous years, and moving forward we're looking at exporting. With exporting comes a lot more coding. We're hoping that our suppliers will help us to meet these challenges and move forwards.
Domino already supplies 7 of the top 10 largest confectionery manufacturers globally. Fast-growing businesses such as Joseph Dobson require the same low total cost of ownership, ease of use and installation as the large multinationals. This is going to allow them to rapidly grow their business and get them to the position within the industry that they want to get to.